Most of the things that truly change your life feel boring, difficult, and uncomfortable at the start. And because their result come late, your brain naturally ignores them. Your brain loves comfort, it loves easy action with fast rewards. So anything that breaks your comfort zone feels like a threat to it. If this happens to you too, write just in the comments because until you accept the problem, you can't solve it. And let me be clear, this video is not a motivational speech. If you come here only to feel motivated, skip this video right now. This video is for people who want a real solution, not a temporary motivation. First, understand why this happens. Your brain is designed to prefer things that are easy and give instant results. That's why people keep telling you, do yoga, change your mindset, reprogram your brain. But here the truth that the more you force your brain, the more it will resist. So instead of fight your brain, use its design smartly. Here's how. Breaks your big goals into teeny, easy steps, and after every small step, give yourself a reward. Train your brain to think, if I do this today, I get something today. If I do it tomorrow, I get it again. Repeat this process for 4 months. One day you will realize something powerful. Your brain will start pushing you to work the same way it pushes you to eat when you are hungry. Let me give an example. A boy wants to become a footballer. If he tell his brain, I want become Ronaldo, his brain will create excuses because it knows hard work, pain, late results. But if he tells his brain, at 4 p.m. I will go for practice, after that I will eat something I like and watch a movie. No, the brain doesn't resist. Why? Because the reward is near, not far. So don't force your brain, use it wisely. If you learned something, write I learned in the comments, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Goodbye.